Conceptual branding. When it comes to branding and identification, in particular, design is more than just visually appealing. It also needs to communicate a message. 3D and immersive design. In 2024, we anticipate a boom in immersive and 3D design. Glass blur and distortion. This design trend is so eye-catching because of our inherent interest in the physical laws and phenomena translated into digital space. The rise of moving type brands will want to find new ways to come across as authentic and unique. Dot display graphics. This rising graphic design trend powerfully combines retro and modern into one. Industrial grunge. The grunge aesthetic peaked in popularity in the 90s. Pixel mania. With the popularization of the metaverse, virtual and augmented reality, 8-bit graphics have made a confident return into our lives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and tell me your favorite upcoming trend in the comments section below.